this Sprinter transport van. Comfortably seats 8. With this front seat here. Rotates backwards to be an adjacent workstation to this one as well. We have windows are all, if you go here to the touch screen, shades go up. Sofa in the back reclines back up. Now we can do the shades all down or all up. Nice television. Surround sound throughout. DirecTV dish on top. Refrigerator for cold beverages. Beautiful interior. Matching luxury insert, driver and passenger seat.